Happy Hanukkah, everyone. Welcome to the third night of Hanukkah. As you can see, the menorah is filling up beautifully. Whether you celebrate Hanukkah or not, I hope you enjoy this 8-part video series. The songs I'm sharing with you are traditional Hanukkah songs. We strum and sing them, and then we will add some embellishments. These next 2 nights, we're going to focus on a beautiful song called Tzur. Tonight, we will be strumming it. And then tomorrow night, for the 4th night of Hanukkah, I'm going to teach you a wonderful chord melody version. It's pretty easy to play as well. Now, everything you need to follow along with this and all these Hanukkah lessons right here on the screen for you. If you'd like to get a printable version of this songbook that I created, there's a link in the video description below. So click that link if you'd like to get a printable PDF for this video series. Let's jump right in. You only need 4 chords to play this song. It's got a beautiful melody too. C major is the first chord we need. Then you'll want an F chord, and then a G chord, and then a D minor chord. That's it, just 4 chords. C, F, G, and D minor. I'm playing a low G ukulele. That means my G string is tuned an octave lower, but by all means play whatever ukulele tuning you enjoy. Now, as far as the strum goes, this is a gentle song, so I like to play just a slow, either quarter note strum like this, gently, 1, with a little more emphasis on beat 1, 1, 2. See, I'm dragging my finger a little slower on beat 1. Sometimes I like to alternate my thumb on beat 1. Try this with me. A little slower and then faster. So slowly through the strings and then quick. That is a wonderful sound to bring that contrast out. And of course you can bring down and up strokes or 8th notes. More important just to play a song like this from the heart than being technically accurate. So now, friends, let's sing this beautiful melody together. I will strum a gentle strum. You can, of course, embellish it with the fan stroke occasionally, but what's most important is that we just stay together and sing the melody. The first note is your open C string. Let's sing together. There'll be a Hebrew chorus and then an English chorus. Thanks for joining me. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Tzur Yeshuati lechana elesabeach tikon betefilati Sham Torah Nezabeah Letachin Makpeach Mitzarcham Nabeah Azegmor Beshir Mizmor Chanukah Chamizbeah Azegmor Beshir Mizmor Hanukkah Chamizbeah. Let's sing the English now. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Rock of Ages, hear our song. Praise thy saving power. Thou amidst the raging foes was our sheltering tower. Furious they assailed us, but thine arm availed us, and thy word broke their sword when our own strength failed us. Tomorrow, we're going to learn the chord melody version. It's in another key, so that means you will have an other option, not only for playing chord melody, but to strum it with the other chords in the key of F. You may find that easier to sing. Thanks so much for joining me. If you're enjoying these videos, please click the like button on this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to this channel. I hope that you and your families are having a wonderful, peaceful holiday. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you tomorrow night.